When it comes to survival, having a dependable knife by your side can be a game changer. From building shelters to preparing meals or facing unforeseen challenges, the right blade is your ultimate tool for thriving in the wild. Amazon boasts a vast array of survival knives, but picking the best one can feel like a daunting task. That's why we've rounded up the 10 ultimate survival knives on Amazon for 2025. Each selected for unmatched durability, versatility, and functionality. Get ready to discover the perfect companion for your next adventure. Let's dive in and explore these top picks. Prepare for your next wilderness adventure with the Becker BK to Campanionj. Designed to tackle any bushcrafting challenge, this beast features a 5-point to 5-inch blade made from tough 1095 Crowvan steel, built to withstand the toughest conditions. The factory 20-degree edge and flat grind ensure it's sharp out of the box, ready for everything from chopping wood to carving. The handle, with contoured Zytel scales, provides a secure and comfortable grip, even in harsh conditions. Its 0.2 to 6-inch thick blade excels at heavy-duty tasks and is easy to sharpen when needed. The knife comes with a durable polyester sheath and belt loop, offering multiple carry options. But that's not all. The versatile design allows the BK to Campanionj to be used as a spear when the situation demands. Whether you're a seasoned bushcraft enthusiast or just starting out, the Becker BK to Campanionj will be your trusted tool for survival and outdoor exploration. Embrace the wilderness with the CRKT Saker, a bushcraft knife crafted for serious outdoor enthusiasts. Its 4.53-inch blade, made from tough 1075 carbon steel, boasts a Scandi grind and drop point design, delivering exceptional performance for carving, cutting, and wood processing. Whether you're building a shelter or crafting tools, this knife transforms rugged tasks into rewarding experiences. The beautifully satin-finished blade is matched with a premium wooden handle, offering a comfortable grip for extended use. Its thoughtful design ensures balance and precision, essential for the demands of bushcrafting. Adding to its utility, the Saker includes a high-quality leather sheath and a versatile bushcraft accessory tool. From wedging and prying to fire starting and collecting pitch, this tool amplifies your outdoor capabilities. Built for function and reliability, the CRKT Saker is ready to take on every adventure with you. Introducing the Benchmade Bushcrafter 163BK, a premium fixed-blade knife crafted for serious outdoor enthusiasts. Designed by renowned maker Shane Sibbert, this knife is a significant upgrade from its predecessor, the 162 Bushcrafter, and is set to enhance your bushcraft experience. At 9.04 inches long, with a robust 0.16-inch CPM Crewware steel blade, it excels at every outdoor task. Whether you're splitting logs or preparing fine tinder, the ultra-sharp factory edge handles tough materials with ease. The nearly 1-inch thick handle, featuring carbon fiber scales over red G10 liners, offers an ergonomic grip, perfect for rigorous use. Plus, the Kydex sheath includes a ferro rod holder and a secure locking mechanism, ensuring your knife remains safe during your adventures. While it comes with a premium price tag, the Benchmade Bushcrafter 163BK is a worthy investment, built in America with meticulous attention to detail. For those who seek the best, this knife is a must-have companion for any outdoor endeavor. The cold Steel SRK is engineered for those who push boundaries. Equipped with a 6-inch SK5 steel blade, coated in a durable black Tough-X finish, this knife is ready for extreme outdoor challenges and demanding rescue missions. Its clip-point design delivers precision for detailed cuts, while maintaining the strength needed for skinning, slashing, and chopping tasks. Measuring 10.75 inches in total, the SRK balances robust construction with sharp performance. The 3/16-inch thick blade ensures a resilient edge and tip, making it adaptable to various tasks. Its deeply checkered Qeonix handle provides a solid grip in any condition, while the single Quillian finger guard ensures safety during intense use. The SRK comes with a secure sheath, offering convenient carry for quick access during any adventure or emergency. Whether navigating the wild or tackling tough situations, the cold Steel SRK stands as a reliable companion for survival, rescue, and all-around rugged utility. Meet the zero-tolerance 0006, a blade built for those who demand the best. This American-made fixed blade is a beast, boasting a 10.7-inch overall length with a 6-inch CPM 3-volt super steel blade. Whether you're tackling hard-to-use tasks in the wild or need a reliable combat or survival knife, this is your go-to. With a beefy 0.19-inch thickness, the full tang construction ensures unmatched durability and strength. The 0006 merges elements of survival, combat, and bushcraft knives into one mighty tool. Its razor-sharp full-flat grind blade excels in wood processing, whether whittling or feather sticking. The textured G10 handle provides a secure grip, even with gloves on, and deep notches along the spine give extra control for tougher jobs. The custom KYDEX sheath enhances functionality with multiple carry options to suit your needs. Tough, versatile, and premium, the Zero Tolerance 0006 is ready for any adventure, big or small. Gear up for your next outdoor adventure with the Schrade CHF36 Frontier. Built for bushcrafting, this knife features a 5.05-inch full tang blade made from rugged 1095 high-carbon steel, coated in black powder for enhanced durability and corrosion resistance. Whether you're chopping wood, building shelters, or preparing food, the CHF36 is designed to handle it all. What sets it apart is the versatile spine, which doubles as a striker for starting fires with a ferro rod. The textured handle ensures a solid, secure grip in any weather conditions, while the black nylon sheath keeps it easily accessible. The sheath even comes with a handy storage pouch, equipped with a ferro rod, striker, and sharpening stone, ensuring you're fully prepared for any task. With the Schrade CHF36 Frontier by your side, you're ready for whatever the wild throws your way. The cold steel Qeonix is built for rugged toughness, offering unmatched versatility for tactical and survival needs. With its 7-inch Tanta blade made from 1055 carbon steel, this knife excels in strength and durability, handling everything from camping and hunting to everyday tasks. The hard spring temper and rust-resistant black finish ensure long-lasting sharpness and protection against wear. Designed for secure handling, the knife features an integral Qeonix guard and polypropylene handle scales, providing a firm grip even in tough conditions. Its balanced, heavy design allows for easy throwing, and with the removal of the handle scales, the blade can be converted into a spear or war club. The cold steel 8 OPG TKG Tanta comes with a secure X sheath for safe and convenient carrying. Whether you're navigating the wild or preparing for intense tasks, this tactical knife delivers reliable performance and versatility every time. Tackle any challenge head-on with the Lionsteel T5B fixed blade knife. This powerhouse tool is built to endure the toughest outdoor tasks, from cutting and chopping to prying. Featuring a 5-inch Nylock steel blade with a black stone-washed finish, the T5B offers exceptional edge retention and strength, making it the go-to knife for heavy-duty work. The black micarta handle integrates seamlessly with the full tang design, delivering a rock-solid grip that ensures comfort during extended use. With an extended tang that doubles as a striker or glass breaker, the T5B adds extra functionality to your gear, making it more than just a blade. Packaged with a MUL-compatible leather sheath, the T5B is ready for any adventure. Whether you're deep in the wilderness or navigating the campsite, this knife will serve you with unmatched reliability and durability. For outdoor enthusiasts who demand the best, the Lionsteel T5B is your ultimate companion. The CIVIVI fixed blade knife is your ultimate outdoor partner, expertly crafted for strength and precision. With its impressive 4.80-inch black D to steel blade featuring a modified Tanta design, this knife excels at puncturing tough materials while keeping its edge razor sharp. The flat grind offers exceptional versatility, making it ideal for slicing and detailed tasks. The rugged black G10 handle provides a secure grip, even in slippery conditions, while the ergonomic finger notch ensures safety and control during every cut. Built with full tang construction, it promises durability for the toughest challenges. Measuring 9.88 inches overall and weighing just 7.09 ounces, This knife strikes the perfect balance between power and portability. Plus, the Qeonix sheath allows for easy carry and quick access. Whether tackling survival tasks or everyday adventures, the CIVIVI knife is your reliable companion, ready to conquer whatever nature throws your way.
Unleash your adventurous spirit with the Morakniv Campanionj Spark, a bushcraft knife engineered for versatility and rugged performance. Whether you're camping, hiking, fishing, or tackling survival tasks, this knife is your reliable partner in any weather. Its 4.1-inch Sandvik 1 to C-7 stainless steel blade resists rust, stays sharp longer than carbon steel, and excels at carving, food prep, and cutting tinder. Designed for safety and comfort, the ergonomic polymer handle features a high-friction grip and a finger guard, ensuring precision and control even in wet conditions. The knife comes with a durable sheath equipped with a practical belt clip for easy carrying, making it perfect for outdoor excursions. But what sets the Campanionj Spark apart is its integrated magnesium alloy fire starter, with 3,000 strikes of 3,000-degree sparks. Even in damp conditions, you'll have a dependable tool for starting fires when you need it most. Compact, lightweight, and practical, it's the ultimate outdoor essential.